Well, Etsy, just as I had started trusting you, you went and did this thing, and I'm not happy with you all over again. Let me explain. First of all, let me explain where I am and where I've been. So I've not been, hopefully not hear trains going past. I've not recorded videos for a couple of weeks. I'm absolutely fine. Thank you everyone who asked. And part of that reason is because of this. It's too hot today for me to be inside. So I wanted to take the wee dog out for a walk. But I wanted to cover this because what have Etsy done? And I'm sorry if this makes you seasick. What have Etsy done that's annoyed me? Well, I thought they'd done a good thing. A while ago, I was telling you, a very small while ago, I was telling you how Etsy ads were looking so much better. The cost per click was still a lot, but the conversion was looking really good. So my return on ads was actually really pretty cool. So I was enjoying it. I was happy. I thought, Etsy, you've done a good thing for a change. But you don't have to look at my mug. Let's look at the scenery. Yeah, so I thought Etsy had done a really good thing and had improved their ads. And then many of you that follow me might have noticed that, make sure I don't throw the dog into something he shouldn't be running in. Isn't it a beautiful day? Many of you that follow me have noticed that on eRank we managed to figure out how to see, if you've connected up your Google Analytics, you could see more places of where your ads were being, well, where your listings views were coming from that weren't just search. And I was again really excited by this. One thing that we were able to see is related listings. So if someone had clicked on a listing and then, well, they'd found a listing for whatever means, and then what they did was they weren't quite happy with it. So down, it wasn't exactly what they wanted. So down in the bottom of that listing, Etsy was adding "you may also like" and links to other listings. So that was cool. Can anyone guess where I'm going with this yet? But yeah, so you may also like, and they'd seen other listings there. So I thought that was cool. I was able to find like competitors, shops that Etsy kind of had paired up with mine and saying, well, these are kind of similar. So that was all cool. Then on eRank we discovered a thing that again I thought was cool. We were able to see through Google Analytics if these were paid or if they were organic views. So again, that was going to be cool. I was going to be able to see if someone found a listing and Etsy considered me very relevant. You going to give the ball, Brew? No. If Etsy considered me very relevant for that listing, they might put an ad on and say you may also like, and then I'd get a click there. That was great, or so I thought, until I looked deeper. And most of these paid views that I'm getting, most of these ads were being shown from people finding my own listing, and within my listing being shown a "you may also like." So this is my customers finding my stuff and me having to pay for them to look at other stuff in my shop. This is really not cool. So this is people that have found me. Now this could even be, I don't know Etsy's rules on how often they can show an ad. Someone could search for a search term. They could search for my shop name and be shown an ad with my shop name in it. They could click on that ad and then be taken to my listing and then see at the bottom of that listing an ad for another one of my listings. So they could absolutely be double dipping there, but I would be seeing a fairly good rate of conversion from people that knew about me and wanted to come to my shop anyway. When people are finding my advert, well, when people are searching for my shop name, I should be able to switch off and say, I don't want to pay for ads for that because I'm already optimized for that. They can already find me, so I don't want them accidentally clicking on an ad. And then again, when people are, already in one of my listings. I've sent them to one of my listings. They shouldn't be seeing an ad to see another one of my listings. I should have the option to turn that off. I'm perfectly happy, reasonably happy, to pay for people seeing one of my listings in somebody else's listing. But this is so dodgy, because if they're seeing my listing in another one of my listings, then they've seen some of my listings and they're liking what they're seeing. So of course the conversion is better. So that's making it look like the adverts are working better. So to say the least, I'm not happy with this. I know it's hard to rant when I've got a happy dog trotting through water. But I just wanted to share this view. I mean, hopefully you like this. This is the Clyde near Glasgow. Absolutely beautiful. In fact, you can't see Glasgow, but way up in front there's the Erskine Bridge and then Glasgow. This is such a beautiful spot with the nicest bit. There is not a soul here. This is my favourite type of walk. But anyway, so it's hard to rant and be angry, but I am really angry about this because I thought Etsy had been doing a good thing, and actually I think they're doing a really scumbaggy thing. So I really, really want the ability. Now, not only this lip service they give us when you're in your ads, you can click for them to say, oh, this is an irrelevant keyword. Doesn't really seem to mean that they turn it off. But I want to be able to say that I do not want my adverts shown in my own listings in the you may also like. So yeah, let me know what you all think. Let me know how off-putting or horrible or lovely this video was, seeing my ugly mug outside. It's kind of nice to get out and not be stuck in the studio, so let me know. But let me know what you think about this. And yeah, I'll see you next time.